You have the mirror. Oh, we have selfie light. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this says, welcome to the top 15. Here is a little bit of love from us to help you grab a place in the top 6. We know you're going to kill it in the Drop Dead Gorgeous challenge. Okay. So we have the Rocket Chick palette from NYX Cosmetics. The Set It Don't Fet It. Oh, we got some lashes here. Gosh. We have an ombre blush. This is so pretty. Oh, my Slow Water. Yeah, this would help me a lot. Total Drop Foundation. Control Drop Foundation from NYX Cosmetics. We have a finishing powder. Some Cosmic Metal Lippies. There are a lot of lippies, oh my god. NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede, another one. I love the butter gloss, I love this. Then we have ombre lip duos, pink bubbles, this is in Razzle Dazzle, peaches and cream. We have the concealer pencils in 2 colors. Then we have another eyeshadow palette. Then we have a primer, another lashes, another HD foundation in soft mocha, highlight and sculpt. We have the Doll Eye mascara from NYX Cosmetics. Then we have the 2-time liner. We have an illuminator and another concealer pencil. Lippies, oh my god. I will be doing a swatch on either my Instagram or my Snapchat, so do follow. Butter gloss. This is a stick foundation in Golden Beach. We have a black liner, an ombre lip from NYX Cosmetics in Bonnie. Lip liners, the highlighter brush. We have the Perfect Filter from NYX Cosmetics. And we have another Rocket Chick palette and another Rocket Chick palette. 2 of the Rocket Chick palettes. We have another eyeshadow palette from NYX Cosmetics. And we have some liners, eyeliners. We have some more concealer sticks. And we have another ombre brush and a finishing powder. All of these from NYX Cosmetics. There's another colored liner. Yeah, more. I guess I got these concealer sticks in all the shades. Lip top coat. We have some more lip liners. Another eyeliner. We have a brow pomade. Got Vivid Brights in the shade. This is Envy and this is Escapade. Gold from NYX Cosmetics. This is the Strobe Genius highlighter, brow pencil. Then we have another kohl and another concealer stick and another eyeliner. Another lip ombre in the shade Ginger and Nutmeg. Some shine eyeliners, some lip liners again. We have the shadow stick, we have another eyeliner, and we have a jumbo pencil in Strawberry Milk. A little souvenir here from NYX. And I want to thank NYX Cosmetics for all of these goodies. These were like too much. Oh my god. Thank you so much. And I really want to thank everyone who supported me throughout, to getting me top 15. And I really want all your support even further because the next round is public voting now.